Oh boy.
You took a picture of Jimmy.
Oh, what a zoo.
Go, sweetie. Yeah, I know.
Okay, I had to try to spank track this. Go. Oh, we got one up here. Whoa! She just took a shot at me. Let's see, is he going to line me up? He's thinking about it. Get the dog. They love to buck the dog. This is funny. He likes to line right up on her. There he goes. Gets her once.
Get out of it, Aries. No! Like, she's out of here. Come on, you're out of here.
She's a poop eater. I believe the Native Americans had a name for dog that loosely translated to shit eater.
Guys.
Alright. This is the little weather. His name is Stewie. He is a nut. He is a nut. Look at his tail wag.
They'll be a month old tomorrow.
Right on.
He'll be a month old tomorrow. Look at those horns you got already. Yeah.
He's a bucker. Yep.
Look at those.
Yep.
Longer than my thumbs.
He lines up on Aries. He likes to hit her in the back haunches. Hers are coming along too. Look at them.
Yep. Here, come here, babe. Look.
Little,
See?
little dozy.
Yep. Little girl.
Oh, she just give you one. She laid one on the wife.